Hey guys, techmadeezy, and thank you so much for clicking on our video today. Well guys, this is the new Samsung S24 Ultra, and I currently own the S22 and the S23, and I have to say I love them. Well, this is that new titanium violet color. It's really nice if you like purples and stuff like that. Now, they also say that this has a new, stronger titanium frame on this thing. In this video, what I'm going to do is a super quick unboxing. We're going to do a nice close look. I'm going to go over high-level top features. I'm not going over every spec. And then I want to share with you Samsung's video on Galaxy AI features, just so you can kind of understand that a little bit, right? Having AI built into a phone. All right, guys, but let's go ahead and check this out. Hi, it's Al from techmadeezy with a real quick message. I just want to let you know the video you're about to watch is not sponsored. We went out and bought the products ourselves. So, if you like our video, please give us a thumbs up. It definitely helps. Share our video. And lastly, we hope you subscribe to our channel and become a part of the family. Thank you. All right, real quick, this is what we're covering in this video, this short video. We're going to do a super quick unboxing, show you what's included. We're going to do a close look at this new device and this new unique color. And then I'm going to share a Samsung video to help you describe the Galaxy AI features of this device, because that's kind of new right now, huh? Having AI built into a phone. Let's go ahead and get this unboxed. Now, I usually have this unboxed by now, but I got a new utility knife. This is a 5-in-1 utility knife by TOUGHBUILT. Really nice stuff, not sponsored, I promise. So you got a utility knife, an integrated bit driver, a pry bar, a built-in blade storage, a steel belt clip, and a wire cutter and a wire stripper. So let me just kind of get this open, which is really nice. And let's get in here. And let's see what we're dealing with. And there it goes. So of course we've got the phone. We're going to check that out. We've got a USB Type-C to USB Type-C cable. Again, you don't get a power brick. Long time they've not included them. You get a quick start guide. A SIM ejector tool. Now, I'll tell you, there'll be a day that you might not have this anymore, but Samsung is still allowing you to put a SIM card in besides an eSIM. So you can actually have an eSIM and a SIM card in a phone. I actually have that myself. Got two numbers on a phone. All right, but that's everything there. And let's go ahead and check this out. Let's take a nice close look. All right, let me pick this up and check it out. So real close look at the lenses. So you could see the design of the lenses. Again, very similar to an S22 and an S23. Really very similar. All right. So we've got our, nice color here. This titanium violet is, it's not obnoxious. It's actually a nice color. So the right side of the phone, you'll see here you've got your volume rocker and your power button on and off. That's a antenna band. All right. An antenna band on here. On the left side of the phone, you really don't have much, just your antenna bands on the top. Top of the phone, two microphones and an antenna band. Bottom of the phone, you've got your USB Type-C, a microphone, which be careful, don't put the SIM injector in there. Of course, here's where your SIM comes out. No more memory expansion. And then this is your S Pen. This is phenomenal. This is definitely one of the top features And let's see, does it match? It's hard to tell. It almost looks gray. So yeah, maybe it is a lighter shade of the purple. So it's a plastic S Pen with the button that you would use in some cases. All right, put that back in. Locks in place. Pop it out. Pop it in. All right, there it goes. I mean, this thing's shouldn't get much fingerprints, by the way. You know, if you look at this. And that's our close look, pretty much. Like I said, we're not doing any detailed specs. Let's go over the top features. I just want to cover high-level top features of this phone. All right, top features of this phone. I've got 8 of them. Number 1 is the new titanium frame. All right, that's supposed to add more strength to this phone to make it as strong as possible if you ever drop it or whatnot. And hopefully you don't. Number 2, they now have Corning Gorilla Glass Victus 2 in the back and in the front of the phone. So they continue to improve the glass that this is made out of. Number 3, the new Galaxy AI features of this phone. And we're going to show you a video, the Samsung video in a moment, that you'll be able to check out. And it'll help you understand some of those features. Number 4, this is IP68, all right, dust and water resistant. So they say this is dust tight. And, you know, it actually can be emerged, but I don't know the specs of that, so just be careful. I think if you fall into a puddle and pull it out, you should be fine. But IP68, that's really good for a phone. Number 5, crazy 200 megapixel wide angle camera. When you see how much you can zoom out with, I have a 23 and a 22 Ultra, and I love it. I really do love it. Number 6, if you take a lot of selfies, well, guess what? You now have a 12 megapixel camera in the front. It's going to take really nice selfies. Number 7 is going to be this 5,000 milliamp battery. And I'll tell you, I really love it. And you can turn on power saving if you want. But the battery on this thing is really, really good. And I say that because I've had the 22, the 23, I've had the Note series. So I really like that. And the last one, number 8, is going to be this S Pen. It's not just for taking notes, but you can do screen capture and some of the new AI features. And you know what? I think it's time. Why don't we go ahead and pull that video up and give Samsung some credit on some of the Galaxy AI features. Let's check that out.
A new era of mobile is here with Galaxy AI. Presenting the S24 Ultra, the first Samsung Galaxy AI phone.
Galaxy AI? I don't get it.
Well, guess I'm gonna have to show them. Follow me for a live demo of our first feature, Circle to Search. It's a new way to find what you're looking for using just your finger. All you gotta do is circle it and find it. Find what? The lamp. Let me show you more. Landmarks. Circle it, find it.
Ooh, landmarks.
Thingamajigs. Whatchamacallits. Just circle it.
Cool.
I know. Whoa, I think I get it. Good. Next feature. With Live Translate, I can speak a bunch of languages with my own real-time translator. Let me call one of the engineers from Korea and show you.
여보세요? Hello.
Gina, hey, how are you?
난 잘 지내지. I'm doing well.
So, I need an expert to tell Stuart about the amazing processor.
나한테 그 완벽한 영상이 있어. Oh, I have the perfect video.
All right, guys. Well, short and sweet, because we are going to be doing our case reviews on the S24 Ultra. We have a boatload of cases with a bunch of different features, all right? But if you thought this video helped you in any way, definitely give us a thumbs up. We'd greatly appreciate it, by the way. If you want to follow us on social media, all of our channels will be right up here. We also have a second YouTube channel, My Tesla Journey, up in the upper right-hand corner. We got a Tesla a year ago now. We've got about 15,000 miles on it. We've done some accessory reviews, and we're going to start sharing the difference between going from a gas car to a Tesla. So if you want to subscribe. We'll put our smartphone videos right here on the right-hand side. And if you'd like to subscribe to our channel here at TechMadeEzy, go right ahead and click our round TechMadeEzy logo and subscribe and join the family. Guys, thank you so much and have a wonderful day.